Hello, my name is Nicholas. I am a senior member of the platform support team here at MakersHub, and today I will be showing you how our AI Wise Vision can help you automate your bills. So if you've seen our videos before, you see MakersHub already does a great job of extracting all of your data, taking away that manual effort of entering these yourself, allowing you to focus on more higher value add work. However, MakersHub goes a step further. So we pull all the lines, but you still need to do the coding and assign these to correct either customer, class, account, items, etc. So we have a way to currently do this under integration mapping. If you've seen any of our other videos, you can go in and create rules for your items, your chart of accounts, accounting classes. So you see here in my example, you can combine rules. So you have a PO number and vendor display name can now code to trial name when we see those two values. So this is a low code, no code platform where you can come in and create these rules. But for some people, this can still be a bit intimidating or a bit overwhelming if you need to do multiple things at once. So in our new update, what we've done is we've created an easier way to do this. So if you see our AI Wise Vision in the bottom left-hand corner, we can now use AI to go ahead and create these rules for me. So what I can say is I want to create an integration mapping rule that assigns a default account for my vendor that maps to job expenses. And I'm just going to correct the spelling. So that's my chart of account, maps the job expenses. But I also want to do another rule. So then create two sub rules that use description of, so I want to take I have a couple descriptions here that use BA/1K, and I actually want those to code to a different account. So I want those to code to, so I want my BA/1K to code to my account of wiring. So now those will automatically code to my wiring account. And then I also want to create a rule. And when you see shipping or freight, map to my shipping account. Just going to clean up the wording here because I cannot type. So then now when I do this prompt, it's going to send it off and think about it like you would see in any other AI kind of platform. So it's going to think and it's going to create those rules for you. Now this can be done with anything. So this can be done with recreating that rule you saw earlier with the PO number and my vendor equals a certain customer, job, or a certain class. And you can use this to create any of those rules you would normally in the integration mapping, but with just pure text, so you don't need to go in and do a bunch of them at once. So you see here, it spit out my requirements. So then now if I go to integration mapping, you can see here that now there's a rule. So now it's saying, it created a rule saying every bill that comes in from my vendor, it's going to set it as an expense so it can code that chart of accounts. Now, if I go to my chart of accounts, you'll see a couple of rules set up. You'll see my default rule for ALPS control equals job expenses. Now, when it sees ALPS control and the description of BA/1K, it codes the wiring. And now it sees vendor display name plus description, either shipping or freight, is now shipping. So it's now created these three rules for me. Two combination rules using that vendor name and that other description I gave. So now when I go back, you'll see all of this is blank. If I rerun my integration mapping, it's now automatically coded all those for me. So you see those first three, the BA/1Ks, because it saw that little piece of description, is now coded to wiring. And we've defaulted the rest to job expenses. And then it's pulled in my freight and shipping into my shipping. Now this can be done, like I said, with anything. If it taxes, any other descriptions can be done with items. And now next time I get in a bill from ALPS control, these will automatically code in and be created. You can, if you watch our other videos, you can go back in and see more details about the Wise Vision, but you can save prompts, recall them, adjust them if needed. So this is a very simple way to get in automatic bill coding. And next time you get in this bill, you're just looking through, making sure that total is correct, and then you're clicking approve to push these through. Again, focusing on higher value add work than manual data entry. If you have any more questions, please let us know. And If you want to watch some of our other videos that go a little bit more in depth into the integration mapping or how MakersHub works, please see the rest of our YouTube channel.